sekali. Jangan buka.
See? Yeah. Our chauffeur. Hello.
He's a good driver.
Yeah. There's the family in the back.
Yeah.
We just went to see Auntie up the mountain. And you can see this is a very, very small butter road. Oh, I just banged my head. Yeah. And we've got cornfields here.
They're both on the ground. Oh yeah, they're both on the ground. All 4 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both on the ground. I thought it was stuck or not.
I thought it was tied up, yeah. I can see Nida's place, I think, nearly, can't we?
Yeah. We're gonna go to the corner here. Somewhere around it. Remember where the guy stopped with the taxi to get the milk.
Hi there. How you doing, Fud? You doing good? Someone's building a nice place there. Yeah, look at the birds trying to get through the glass. Yeah, Ganglia. I also, no, you're not touching my camera. Yeah, I'm taking the picky. Yeah. Keep walking. On, Joe. Oh. Oh. That's what That's what Oh, they're building away over there. Yeah. Hi there, Sante. Who's that? Who's that? Hey, who's that over there? That Nida's house.
Where the goat is.
Ah.
Oh yeah, where the motorbike is.
Hi guys. Yeah. Marhaba. With a tin roof. Here comes a motorbike. Picky. Other way. Whoa. They're on a mission. See them, Boosie? Another picky. Get out of his way. You want to get run over. Jumbo. I'd get up the top of the hill. You get up the hill first, Mum.
So you sit like this. Hold on like that. You sit on one cheek of your back. Then you hold on the side, there's a little ornamental. So it's safe like that. Oh. She likes that way. Okay. You're taking videos?
Yep.
Mama nisha yatukoze kia kama kaona kwenye ndiko mgongo guu nao. Atibabu tena babu wewe.
Hi. Just having a walk around the farm. We're in Ulamagando, on the border of Uganda and Tanzania. And this here is Tina's dad's bananas and tomatoes. He's got one big crop. He does all this by hand. Digs it and weeds it. and takes care of it. No power tools, no tractor, no motorbike, no car. He doesn't even have a bicycle.
If you cut the banana, then this one must move. Byakurugawo nk'ekyo. Mbwenu n'otumye eki kukiyamu.
Just for digging to take the old banana.
Sababu nkibaasa kuleeta ebiwuka. Alafu koli kumala nayiga eitaka n'oteekawo biri ebiwuka bitataamu mu nte ezindi. Alafu anga kwe kuba noyenda kupunguza abaana.
If you want to take it like these baby one out, like that, to dig them out, get all the roots out sometimes. I don't know what this one.
For every day. And every day. Okay, this is the nigwo mulimo gwatyo. Alafu koli kumala eki n'oteeka kutugi obunyezi birebire.
It's teaching you farming. Have you learning anything? That's what it says all in here.
Alafu kantwale
Stop the weed coming out like this.
kantwale timboleko mulimo gwatyo n'ogundi.
There's a nice big bunch of bananas there.
You want to turn this into that? Like
To
that.
turn it
This
like
is
that.
Oh,
see the
right,
that-
yeah.
This is the Biazeya.
Very old.
It is very old. So it is a new one.
This is the modern.
Yeah.
These have no compost. You can see it's all
Yeah.
flat. Yes. That's what it's doing. I'm gonna show you how to get that.
All right. This is
To make it big.
just yeah. Once you cut that big purple thing off,
This one.
yeah. Okay. That means the bananas will now develop into bigger bananas. Yeah. And all this has been hand dug.
And this one, it is old.
Oh yeah. Cut
Yeah.
the leaves off. And then use the leaves as ground cover for the tomatoes and compost later. And all this has been done by hand by one person. Tina's dad.
That's cassava. You've seen cassava trees?
Yeah.
These one. That's where you get the
Oh, look at all the cassava. Wow.
So that's where they come from.
Yeah.
You dig down on a ground. That's where the
The roots are. Yeah.
Emily did.
It's all
Trying to show
food
you.
in the.
See those cassava?
Yeah. Instead of having the fridge, you have it in the ground.
You dig all on the ground. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you can cover again and
Yeah.
keep them growing.
Yeah.
That means they're not gonna be starving with food.
Yeah. This is a reserve. It's like
Reserve, so it
food
goes
in the
all way
bank.
down. Food in the bank. You don't have
Yeah.
to buy it every time you want to put some in.
sorry. We're coming up. Got coffee.
This is vanilla pan.
Coffee.
From there to there.
Yeah.
Yes. Here it is for coffee.
Coffee.
Here it is for
Is this for trees?
Vanilla.
Yeah. Oh, vanilla. This is for the vanilla.
yes.
Wow.
And this is the way to go in the chamber that you can pass here.
Yeah.
So that you go in
This is all vanilla growing on a.
the,
The vines grow on a
yeah.
host plant.
But this area, this one, nkagireka nko kukomegate the fence.
Yeah, this is the fence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, vanilla starts there to continue.
In that way, yeah.
Yes.
Vanilla.
Ebyo bichupa ni kwa ajili ya irrigation.
Those bottles, the irrigation bottles.
Yeah, put water in it.
Nakuja mpaka hapa Tina. Huyu ni Theodosia.
That's Todazier's
up
field.
to the mountain.
Yeah.
This
Wow.
is Theodosia for coffee, coffee shamba.
Wow.
Yeah, mama mdogo. Tukata mwemwana.
Yeah, maybe she'll come and
Yes, this is a
take
neighbor.
care. Neighbours, this is the
Yeah.
neighbour.
Yeah. Sisi tunapita hapa mpaka mlimani.
All the way to the mountain, our land.
And we've got all these
All
black
of this.
coming off of the host to the vanilla. You get these African
So,
soap
Inaitwa Jatrova.
Jatrova.
Jatrova seed.
Jatrova seeds.
Jatrova seed.
And inside the shell there's a white, an actual soap.
Mm.
And this is a Jatrova.
Oh.
And this is the plant there.
Jatrova tree.
That's the
Jatrova
the
Yeah.
vanilla plant,
Yeah.
which is a
So
vine.
this is all our vanilla seeds. Is that
Yeah, wow.
all of this is our farm.
Oh, there's
Eje
the
mikono
vanilla.
niye kunyunya galinya maizi.
Yeah.
Eje mikono eji. This one.
Yeah.
This
So
one.
that one is sucking the
Uh,
water from
Sucking
this.
the
Yeah.
water from the other
And
plant.
From
the
this
dawa.
plant. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it goes on.
Mm.
It keeps sucking on, so
Yeah.
it lives on it.
It's
It's
a
like
bit of a
all the
parrot.
parasite.
Rura.
And there's those soap nuts
See,
there.
once it's 6 foot, that's a
Yeah.
pollination time. You to take it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you bring
Then you
again.
bring again.
Yeah.
Ile inayoteremka ndio
Long
inayoweka
process,
vanilla.
lots of work.
Inayopanda inakwenda kutafuta dawa.
So the
We just come up across the bees. These are African honey bees. They can be a bit wild, so we're going to just give them a wide berth. Keep clear of them. As we go around the farm, learning about the vanilla plants and the soap nut plants, the bananas, the cassavas, the corn, all the composting done here to keep the weeds down and make fertile soil. This is all organic, there's no chemicals being used here. There's a nice big mango tree. There's a few mangoes on the edge there, but it's getting near the end of season. I think might be a few on the ground if we have a hunt round. Yeah, there's one. Yeah. And we just looked about a quarter of the farm.
This is meant to be used as a fence, and also you can eat the bottom. There's food. You get food out of this.
Oh wow, and more of those nuts, soap nuts. This is a traditional border plant. They plant these on the borderline of their property, and so this belongs to one person and the other side belongs to another person. And there'll be a line of them here. You can see them going up there, identifying the border between the two plots.